What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and this is a continuation video. So we're going to be talking about the all-purpose cleaners, decontamination type products, tar removers, I guess clay, anything along those lines, water spot remover, bug spot, you know, anything like that. We're going to start out with the all-purpose cleaners that I use, and again, some of these I have gallons, so I'm not really covering that. I'll go through the gallons, I guess, at the end on a separate video, but let's just talk about some of the all-purpose cleaners. Now, I took it out this way so I could put it back that way. One of these ones I have is by Coach Kemi, all-around surface cleaner, the ASC. Not a bad cleaner. I feel like you don't get a lot in the bottle. I feel like value-wise, doesn't really totally make sense. Based on the cleaners I've used and what I'm going to talk about here, I don't feel like that overly performs any better. Power Clean, that's a staple. I feel like that's definitely one of these things that you want to buy again. Dilution can be done, and it's just a solid product. I even have Multi-X. This one is diluted 1.7 ounces of product in here. I don't know what the hell I wrote on this, to be honest with you. I've been using it and I like it. Multi-X is not bad. I actually found a super clean aerosol foamer. I like foam sprays. I like aerosol type sprays. Very cool. It definitely dissolves grease. It's very good. A little cleaner for certain tight areas. I like this one because it's local. I like these products. The Meguiar's Detailer line, Citrus Power Cleaner Plus, solid product. This one I got on Amazon. Spray Away makes a glass cleaner that I like, so I saw this one, and it's their APC. Again, foamer, cleans very well. Would I buy it again? Possibly, just to have another can on there, because I'm like weird like that. Lithium Hyper Cleanse. A lot of people say really good, really good. I think once the bottle's over, I'm probably not gonna purchase it again. I don't see it being some earth-shattering thing for me and my particular uses. You got Super Clean. I usually use it at full strength or half, like depending on stuff like that. I wouldn't put that on the interior anywhere near that strength, maybe like a 1 to 10 or something, but again, I don't really use that stuff on the interior. I got my interior cleaners for that stuff. Orange Degreaser, I think this was just sent to me in a glove box, possibly. Good. I've used it a couple times. I like it. Like I said, nothing's jumping out at me. One of the ones I would buy again, because it's in gallon form and it just works out well with the sprayer and everything, the APC by Meguiar's. Just had a lot of good luck with it. Can I have it? Can I have some good luck with it right now? Jesus. Hello? Okay. Yeah, I try to keep things a little bit neat. It's very difficult when you have this many bottles. Again, I'm actively trying to reduce the amount of bottles I have because I think that a lot of it is just pointless and it's redundant and it's repetitive and it doesn't make any sense. But let's talk about some of the other things. Water spot removers. G-Technic water spot remover is pretty good. Eraser gel water spot remover by 3D. It's not bad. I had a lot of success with this, but now there's a 2.0 I gotta try. And Jack's Wax. I have another one. Yeah, here. Jack's Wax water spot remover. Not bad. I've had some good luck with those. Gugon, not a bad product. One of my favorite tar removers, Tarminator by Stoner. Tar and sap remover. It is one of those ones that I will always rebuy and have. It's just been with me for a long time. I don't see a reason to not have it. Now, as far as clays go, well, actually, let's talk about this. CarPro Bug Out. This is a good bug remover. Once that bottle, that sample's done, I will buy that again and just stick with that as my only one. Now, let's talk about clays. I have Sonus clay. I've got the Ricardo detailing clay. I've got the Rag Company clay, the Adams clay. All clay considered equal. I feel like it's all the same shit. I have these clay blocks. They're all right. I like them a little bit. I'd rather use a clay mitt during the wash process. My favorite type of thing, though, is going to be a little clay towel. These are just easier to use. I can dunk them. Rag Company makes one. You can probably see down there. It's a clay towel. Rag Company makes it, and I really like it. I think it's a solid product. I don't think you can go wrong with it. I think it's something you just buy and use and love. But yeah, other than those things, we do have these products that are like the spray and dwell, the iron remover clay. I have the Iron X paste. So I've used this a few times, specifically for tires. So like in cracks and crevices on the tires, I would take that, apply it with my finger on a rubber glove and get it done. I have Geon iron remover, and also have the Iron X, the OG. I have my Tar X sample. I had a bigger bottle, and I don't know necessarily what happened to it. And I even have the lemon scented Iron X that I got a sample of. I got a lot of samples. I haven't tested out yet. So these two are going to be the final additions here. These are Koch Chemi, however you want to pronounce them. Polestar and Green Star. So the Polestar from this is by the way, I'm totally unfamiliar with usage, but just video wise I've gotten a general idea, and I'll tell you why I purchased them. Have not formed an opinion yet. From the looks of the videos, they look promising, but again, that doesn't mean diddly squat in my life. Polestar is just going to be a very good interior cleaner from what I'm seeing. I will be testing this at different dilution ratios. And now Green Star, what I wanted with Green Star specifically is the ability to mix it with the gentle snow foam and create more of a aggressive type snow foam for the times where I want a little bit more out of it to break down a little bit more of a soiled vehicle, and also having a pretty good all-around all-purpose cleaner. So that's where these two come in. And honestly, 33 ounce of these products, dilutable, very good deal. Pricey-ish if you focus on pricing, but very good deal nonetheless. But yeah, that's it. That pretty much finalizes the decon removal, all-purpose cleaner, water spot, tar clay type stuff. There might be miscellaneous things here and there, like mineral spirits, goo gone, goof off, things that I don't necessarily reach for often, if at all, because I'm not like this professional that would need to have that on a daily basis. But it's just nice to have things, even if I don't reach for it. It's just nice to have things. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate the support. Thank you so much, and we're gonna get right into the next section. Where will it be?